Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has classified NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.99. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with an overall gain of 4.29%. This results in an average return of 0.86% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 16.24% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 43.78% to negative 7.57%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 11.13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 34.24% and positive 44.6% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.72 and $5.95. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline: NIO stock price ended at $4.13 on Wednesday, after gaining approximately 0.243%. The NIO stock price increased by 0.243% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, rising from $4.12 to $4.13. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.68%, with a day low of $4.11 and a day high of $4.22. The price has seen ups and downs during this period, resulting in a gain of 1.98% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 23 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $94.25 million. It is important to note that declining volume during price increases may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 46.43%, or $3.58, below the 52-week high, and 93.83%, or $62.86, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. NIO remains an attractive buy as it approaches its first quarter earnings call for 2025, driven by significantly discounted valuations relative to historical trends and its peers. The company's diversified offerings in the electric vehicle market are gaining traction across various segments, bolstered by its innovative battery swap strategy. These factors are projected to lead to improved vehicle and gross profit margins as we move into the second half of 2025. However, NIO is not without challenges. Recently, its stock experienced a dip, closing at $4.12, reflecting a 1.9% decline amid broader market gains. This downward pressure is compounded by intense competition and pricing challenges within China's electric vehicle sector, influencing market share and revenue growth as well. Investors are also mindful of the impact of tariffs and limited international infrastructure on NIO's long-term expansion plans. Meanwhile, heavy investments in research and development, along with capital expenditures, are straining NIO's net income. Still, if the company can scale effectively and reach profitability by late 2025, these investments could ultimately lead to a positive shift in stock performance. In the short term, fluctuations in stock price may reflect ongoing competitive pressures and market sentiment, while the long-term outlook hinges on NIO's ability to sustain growth and leverage its market position effectively. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 21st of November 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for NIO. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and so far, it has fallen 4.18%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, the NIO stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $4.02 and $3.82. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 46 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.11 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.68%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.29%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric provides insight into a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established firms can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at -22 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.22. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could represent a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.98. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sell of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.96, reflecting a decline of 4.21%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to view it as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 15th of May, we anticipate that NIO will open higher by approximately 2.33 cents, starting trading at $4.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.